everyone! This is Brenda from the Valley High Family Resource Center, and welcome back to Minds and Rhymes. For today's video, we will be continuing with the colors and focusing on the color green. So keep watching so you can learn how to make your very own green caterpillar. Hola, buenas tardes. Yo soy Brenda del Valley High Family Resource Center y bienvenidos a Animas y Rimas. Para este video vamos a aprender del color verde y vamos a construir una oruga.
Alright, so for today's craft we will be learning about the color green. So this is the color green, and green is spelled G-R-E-E-N. Esta semana vamos a aprender el color verde. El color verde se escribe V-E-R-D-E. Okay, so for today's video, you will need some green construction paper, a piece of red construction paper, some scissors, glue, and either a marker or you can use a colored pencil or a crayon. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is take our green paper and our scissors and use the scissors to cut out strips of the green paper. So as many as you'd like, and you can use different colors of green as well. So just cut along the short edge so that you have a bunch of strips. Okay, and once you have your green strips cut out, you're going to take your red piece of paper and you're going to cut out a circle. So just a medium-sized circle that we're going to use for the caterpillar. Right, and once that circle is cut out, you're going to go ahead and take your marker or your crayon or colored pencil and you're going to draw a little face on it. So this is going to be the face of the caterpillar. Okay, and now we will start gluing. So go ahead and take your green strips. The first thing you're going to do to glue these is take one strip, bend it like this into a circle or a ring, and then just glue the two ends together. Okay, so just start with that. Okay, so I've glued my first ring here. This looks like a circle like this. And now all you're gonna do is take another strip. I'm gonna use a different color green. You're gonna loop it through the first one and then glue it into a ring like this. Okay, so it's gonna be kind of like a chain. And you're just gonna keep doing that over and over. Alright, and once you're done, you should have a long, pretty cool chain that looks like this. This is going to be the body for our caterpillar. And the very last step that you'll do here is take your face, your little red circle, and you're just going to glue that to the very end. Alright, and here is the finished product. We used the color green to make a little caterpillar. Thanks so much for watching. If you do participate in this craft, be sure to share pictures with our Facebook and Instagram so that you can receive points that you can exchange for prizes. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye!